up, get the clapping. I start to wonder if they talking to me. Look, bitch, you don't know me at all. Plus I came here to brawl. I make you exhibit A at the mall. Jay, you know me, I fly through in all kinds of rhythms. So star-studded, only seen by astrologists. You sick, how is that? Who you riding with? Man, you too pussy, better see a gynecologist. I'm all invested in the flow, the hood gon' love it. I'm about to turn him to the hood version of Warren Buffett. And you ain't tough enough for me to spit about you. So keep your little comments to yourself before I whip them out you. I got lactate on, smack the shit about you. I spit napalm